Welcome and thank you. This press conference has been organized to sign MOA between Nasinu Land Patches and Housing Co-operative Limited and Nasinu Town Council. Some months back, the ministry initiated an idea with the cooperative to have a market at the Laqere. As you all are aware that we have a market along the roadside, and looking at the safety of the vendors and the seller, the ministry thought that we need to provide them a better facilities. And while we were looking for land, we managed to talk to the Nasinu Land Patches and Housing Cooperative Limited members, and I'm happy to say that deal was struck, and we have created a very good partnership between the two parties, that is the Nasinu Land Patches and Housing Cooperative and Nasinu Town Council. Government have allocated some funds for the patches of this land, and also for the construction of the Laqere Market. With that, we also have a understanding that they will also do a car parking, whereby we will share the car parking space as well. So all in all, I would say that it's a great day for the people of Nasinu, because now they will have a fully fledged market, and I'm been informed that the construction of the market will start sometimes in January. So in the meantime, we got a few more months to do all the detailed plan and all those things, but we would like to see that the market starts in January. So with that note, once again, thank you so much, and now I will ask the signing to take place between these parties.
On behalf of the Nasinu Town Council, I would like to say thank you to the Honourable Minister for this work that has been done in facilitating this process, in particular of recently now signing this memorandum of agreement towards acquiring this piece of land for the market for the Nasinu Town Council. If I just briefly go back about 3 or 4 years ago, we had just been in talks with the Nasinu Land Purchase. Mr. Muni there would know this. With just some talks and some correspondence, showing our interest to acquire this lot from Nasinu Land Purchase. Now, with the appointment of our new minister, who is very well familiar with the needs of the municipality in Fiji, and his experience being with the local municipal council for the last 15 or 20 years, he has come in to facilitate this process, which we are indeed most grateful. I know it took some time for us to finally come to this point in time, but we have to come to an agreement. We have to. And we are most grateful from the Nasinu Town Council that at last we have come to this signing of this agreement, which shall now pave the way to the preparation and the signing of the sale and purchase of agreement. The offer being made to the council is very reasonable and most welcome by the council, a price of $400,000 for the land, which we are most grateful, and we know that the other part of the finance that has been allocated by government will be used to build the market itself and the development of the area. So on behalf of the Nasinu Town Council management, in particular our residents, our ratepayers, we are the largest municipality in Fiji in terms of population. But something that we mostly lack is our infrastructure. I think that is a fact that is well known to the ministry, and the resources that is made available to the council to work with is very limited. And Mr. Minister, thank you very much for this part that has been played to enable this signing, and we look forward to the signing of the sale and purchase agreement so that we can proceed forward, that the people of Nasinu will know that the council is doing something for them, in particular the government is caring for them. On that note, I would like to thank you again, sir, Mr. Minister, PS, Nasinu and Purchase. We've been seeing each other, we have been good friends, and we hope that this bond will continue to the benefit of our residents in Nasinu. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Naga.